20 health benefits to look better about your body. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Feeling good about your body is important for overall well-being. Here are 20 health benefits that can contribute to a better body image. Increased self-confidence. Taking care of your health can boost your self-esteem and confidence. Improved posture. Engaging in regular exercise can help improve your posture, making you appear taller and more confident. Enhanced muscle tone. Regular exercise and strength training can help tone your muscles, giving your body a more defined and sculpted look. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can improve your body image and overall health. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can lower your risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Better skin health. Consuming a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and practicing good skincare can improve the appearance of your skin. Increased energy levels. Engaging in regular physical activity can boost your energy levels and overall vitality, making you feel more vibrant and confident. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise helps strengthen your heart and cardiovascular system, leading to better overall health and improved stamina. Stronger bones. Engaging in weight-bearing exercises and consuming a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Enhanced flexibility. Participating in activities like yoga or stretching exercises can improve flexibility, making you feel more agile and confident. Better sleep quality. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can improve the quality of your sleep, making you feel more refreshed and energized. Boosted immune system. A healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition and regular exercise, can strengthen your immune system and help you ward off illnesses. Improved digestion. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber and staying hydrated can support healthy digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. Enhanced cognitive function. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can improve brain function, memory, and focus. Increased body awareness. Engaging in physical activities and being mindful of your body can help you develop a greater sense of body awareness and appreciation. Reduced risk of mental health issues. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can reduce the risk of mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. Enhanced body image perception. Taking care of your body can help you develop a more positive perception of your physical appearance. Improved balance and coordination. Regular exercise and activities that challenge balance and coordination can improve these skills, making you feel more confident and graceful. Long-term health benefits. By prioritizing your health, you're investing in your long-term well-being, allowing you to enjoy a higher quality of life as you age. Remember that everyone's body is unique, and it's important to focus on overall health and well-being rather than comparing yourself to unrealistic standards. Embrace self-love, celebrate your body's capabilities, and make choices that promote your overall health and happiness. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.